Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can manage your funds using Money.com's template. So if you're looking for a way to manage your funds within Money.com, there is a template that you can use that is very effective. All you have to do is to press this blue button and then press choose from templates. Here you have to search for fund and you get this template that says Money fundraising. Click on it, press use template. Alright guys, as you can see, this template has created a lot of boards into our Money.com workspace. So this is a very useful and it is a very detailed template. It is literally got everything into it that you can need to manage your funds. So let's see what this template has got. So it has basically three sections. The first section is for donors management. Here we can add all of our donors, all of their donations, all of their activities and their dashboard. Then we get grant management. We can add grants pipeline, grant providers and grant dashboard. Then we get a getting started board, but this is not really very useful, so I recommend you just skip it or delete it. But let's go to grant pipeline. Here, as you can see, you get the option to add your active grants. You can add your grants that are submitted, and you can add their status if they're new, you're working on them. You can add their due date, and you can add their amount, which is the most important thing. So as you can see, there is a random grant that is worth $35,000. The second one is worth $10,000. You can change it by entering any value you like. Then you can add the name of the person who provided that grant, and you get the sum on the bottom of all the grants you have, and this is very useful. If you go to grants dashboard, let's see what we've got there. Here, as you can see, we get all of our grants awarded, and that is basically it, I guess. But let's go to donations. Here we can add all of our donations, all of our funds. So we can add the donors, the person who donated. Then we can add their date on which they donated. We can add the amount, like this person donated $1,500, this one $2,000, and we can add their email if required. We can add their type of donation, if it is a check, if they transferred it online, if it is wire transfer, whatever, and that's it. So this way you can manage all of your funds, all of your donations, all of your grants using Money.com's very useful and very detailed template. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.